Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you are here because Diamond Art Club's anniversary! Oh my goodness. Are you guys super excited? Have you been stalking the VIP Facebook group, Diamond Art Club's Facebook group, Instagram, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then checking out your voting to see is something you voted coming on board? Me too. And I am so honored that I got a sneak peek. Are you ready? Do you want to see what it is? It is. Oh, it's hefty. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Sweet Memories by Kim Norlien. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that this came in the mail. And it is 40.6 inches by 27.6, which for us old schoolers who are celebrating every anniversary with Diamond Art Club, right? This is year number 7. Go back to the centimeters, right? 102.8 centimeters by 6.9 centimeters. This thing could be your next comforter or sleeping bag. Absolutely gorgeous. We are going to open this up and we're going to see what's inside. While we're opening it up, we're going to notice that there is 71 colors. That's right. On the side, it tells us 71 colors, which includes 2 ABs, 5 fairy dust, over 116,000 drills. So when you're done, you're like, whoa, that's how many drills I put down. No wonder my hand is a little achy, right? Now, what other Kims do you have? Like, there's the Shelter, which is that beautiful gazebo, Peace River Cabin, and I have Sanctuary, which is the one with that elegant church, old school church in the background with the white steeple, the swans on the lake, beautiful purple undertones. Absolutely beautiful. And on my wish list is A Night to Remember. I love those skies. So what are you excited about coming from Kim? All right, so we're going to turn this around, the camera that is, not the box, because you're like, what? I already know what's in it. Kit contents on the back, but we're going to turn the camera around. While I have you, though, remember there is a sticker on the bottom of the box. This way, when you store it vertically or horizontally, you point this up to the sky or you point this out away from the wall, and you know exactly what is in this box. Also, by it being blue, Diamond Art Club has made sure that you know it is a square. That's right, sweet memories, a square. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? All right, enough of me. Let's dive in. Okay, here we go. I took the sleeve, it's a hard cardboard which protects your painting, out of the box, and inside you have your toolkit and your thank you for your purchase. So we're going to dive into this for sure and see what it is. Now, just held the open house for my daughter who graduated. My dining room table is not cleared off at any time soon, will it be? I know I normally do my unboxings here at my craft table, but this thing is huge. So bear with us as we dive in. All right, so we're going to open. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, this is a bronze. Most people are going to get bronze. It's the most common color, but collect these. Also, if you notice here at the top, this also will change with every color difference you get. So this is your trading card, sweet memories, and then when you collect them, the more you get of certain colors, the more you can trade them in for points and good things. Diamond Art Club, you're going to get, this is an actual sticker. This is a sticker that you can use with your start and end date for sure, has everything that you need to know on it. You can put it in your journal or you can put it on your kit up. Also, here are all of your symbols. These are stickers. And your specials are going to be at the end. Now that Diamond Art Club every year gets better and better. They used to have them here 1 through 4 or 5, and they would have them special numbered. Now they're the normal DMC numbers, and they're at the end. So you'll see the fairy dust and the ABs there. You can take these off, put them on your baggies, put them on your containers as you kit up, or just have them on the side. But with this many colors and this magnitude of canvas size, you're going to be working on it for a while. I would suggest actually kitting up. All right, and then you have your toolkit, and your toolkit is the famous newer stackable trays, which they've upgraded from their original white trays. Has the removable slide lid with the pink heart wax, and right there you can see the 7 placer and then this removable stopper. The more of these you get, and then here's the clear putty. I'm just going to put it in there so we don't lose it. The more of these you get, the more you can stack. And if you want, you could put your sticker on the ends. You can stack them and maybe kit up by your trays. Also, you're going to get 15 baggies, and you're going to get your applicator pen, which comes pre-filled with the putty single placer that you can use. And it has the 4 placer on the other side. If you don't want that, you can pull it out, put the new tip in that you want to use. All right, so we're going to dive into this mammoth, beautiful canvas. And let's see, it is hand charted. And so I want to see, I always like, do they give the artist justice? I have yet to see them not give the artist justice, and they improve more and more each year with how they hand chart based on who they hire and their level of quality. All right, so right here, you're going to have your key in the bottom right. You're going to have serged edges here. Let me bring you up to the camera. You'll see right there, so that if your canvas does start to unravel, it's going to stop. Now, why I have you up here, you're going to see this gray line. It's going to be every 4 inches so that it is perforated, and you can then rip out those squares if you want and keep the rest of your canvas from getting dust or hair on it and work on different parts at a time. All right, then also, I'm going to get up close and personal so you can see the symbols, how clear they are. Where you see it a bit foggy is because of the gray perforated line. But there's the symbols for you. All right, so we're going to unroll this. Well, let me get this out first. And then we're going to see what this beauty holds. All right, I'm going to put that over there. Oh my goodness, look. Stunning. Look at that boat right there, and it's coming out of the water. You can see the reflection here in the water. Look at the reflection in the water of the trees. Here's the hammock right here. Oh my goodness. And you've got your porch on the cabin with the beautiful bench. You can see the slats right here in the bench. You can see how it's reflecting in the water. Look at the detail of that. Let me pull it up a little bit for you guys. The detail of the reflection down here. Absolutely stunning. Look at the detail here in the brick and the stone of the cabin. Now I'm going to have to like roll this back because like I said, this is a whopper. Here are your, what do you call these? Rondac chairs are right here. You've got your flowered plants. You even have your plants up here outside the window, flower boxes. Look at the tree, the different leaves. You've got the pine trees, and then you've got your, what do they call those? Oh, I used to know. Cornivorous? I don't know. I could be talking dinosaurs. My 3-year-old's into dinosaurs. He can say pterodactyl. So funny. All right. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then look at the shadowing of the tree. These look so real, as if this were a picture. And then the flowers down here, absolutely stunning. I can't wait to see if there's some ABs and some fairy dust in the flowers. So let's dive into that while we're at it. Do remember this is board glue. You're going to have your clear, I keep on saying coating, your plastic right here. You're going to have your little pasting area. You're going to have the SKU number, what it's the artwork is known as, who the artist is, and who produced it, which is Diamond Art Club. Okay, so while we're looking at this, I'm going to pause so you do not have to hear the crinkle crinkle. But real quick, here are all of the gems, diamonds, drills. Here's the SKU number on it and sweet memories, so that if it does get taken away from the painting, if you store them separate, you can easily match them up. So I'm going to pause this, open up the drills, and then we're going to dive in just a little bit further. Okay, look how amazing these come out. When I'm done showing you these drills, they will not go back in the packaging like this. I will never, ever be given a job at the warehouse. Kudos, kudos, kudos. So here we go. We're going to dive in. And the first thing we're going to see here is 939. All right, so this is a big color for this. And then we're going to dive in. There's so many greens. 3345, 3345. Here are your gray browns. 37.99. Getting more colors. We're riding the train, the color train. Here we go. Crinkle, crinkle. 935s, 3362s. All of the things right here. Let's go. Okay. Do the next train. Because we're looking for color. We're looking for ABs. We're looking for fairy dust. Yes, yes, please. I know, you're like, oh my gosh, who is this lady? You know, if you want me to stop singing, go ahead and like down below. If you want me to keep singing, like again. Okay, so here's our first special 2 things of ABs. As you can see, it's a sequence topping. These are squares. And this is the star. So the star is all through the trees, everywhere on the trees, except for some of the pine trees. And then it's all down here in the flowers on the tops of the leaves. So it's going to give you that glisten when the sun hits. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, more greens. More browns, more greens. Here we go. The next train. Remember, 71 colors. Here we go. Some purples. These are going to be so beautiful in the flowers and the roof. I'm sure there's some in the porch work. All right. Keep going. Keep going here. 745. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. There's so many beautiful colors. This is just a rich painting. Okay, here is our second AB, 972. And this is going to be the asterisk sign, and it's right through here below the light yellow. It's right through here, all over the porch. It's actually on some of the right side of the tree to help give you that sparkle. And then of course, so much, oops, in these orange flowers down here. Absolutely stunning. All right, so we're going to keep going because we want to find the specials. We want to find the specials. All right, here's our first fairy dust. Now, fairy dust is a mica powder. You can see up there in the top left, it's got a little bit of that dewy glisten to it versus a sparkle. This is also going to follow, but it's going to be, I'm sorry, this is the asterisk. The other one was C. So C is the orange parts. and then the asterisk is right under. So you're going to have the ABs up top in the windows. You're going to have it up here. You're going to still have it over here on the tree, and then right next to it are going to be the asterisks. So both the ABs go along together with the fairy dust. And the same thing with the flowers down here with the oranges. You're going to have AB and fairy dust mixed in as well. All right, and then we have a gray fairy dust. You can see the mica powder much more clearly on that. That gray is going to be the percent sign. And the percent sign is just kind of highlighting in the tops of the water. It's over here in the banks, in the rocks. And then down here, let me see if I can, down here in this rock. So a lot of the percents, and then I know it's over here, whee, in the boat. So it's here in the boat, and then it is on the left side of the trees to help with that dewy feeling. All right, and then we have one more train to go through. Here we go. This is the last hurrah we got going on here. See if we can find that last. Okay, here's another fairy dust, 150. You can see the mica powder on that. And that's going to be E. So E is over here in the boat just a bit to give it a touch of color. There's some up in the upper, no, I'm sorry, down here in the lower, right here. And then there's a couple bits over here and some of the flowers, just a touch to give it some shimmer. And then we have the rest of the colors. All right, and here is your last two. You've got your purple fairy dust, and you've got, what is that, like a pink salmon fairy dust. So the purple, that's a squiggly line. Let me get this out of the way. So most of the squiggles were a little bit in the roof. There was a touch down in the flowers, and there was a touch in the boat for the purple, and then for the salmony light color, it was a lot through the flowers down here, and then some through the lights that are reflecting in the windows. So absolutely gorgeous. I really feel like they did a great job with the ABs and the fairy dust, giving you a nice mix, having some of them go together, some of them separate, so that you have that glisten, that sparkle, that shine. But this with the shadows is more of a fairy dust versus a sparkle kind of scene. I wouldn't say muted. It's just not like the sun is shining on this. It's not like it's been raining or different things like that. So I hope you grab this. Can you imagine? This could take you anywhere from 80 to 200 hours to do. Imagine how much fun you would have over the course of the next couple months if you purchase this. So I can't wait to see it in your box. I can't wait to see it sell out. Great job, Kim. Love your artwork. Great job, Diamond Art Club and the Hand Charters, for making this a reality. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.